Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase the 72 by 96 Beverly full arch. Now, a full arch means this radius is a lot larger than a regular arch, which is a smaller radius. It'll go up and then do the curve. As you know, this Beverly design is one of our exclusive designs. My dad designed the store a couple years back. We've had amazing success with it. We love this thing. And we have a lot of copyrights protecting this legally for us, because there's a lot of people trying to copy this thing. But that's besides the point. We're here to talk about this beautiful door. What makes this door different is it's got this amazing kick plate on the bottom. We use 4-inch tubes on each side to make the glass look larger, and then squeeze it out to a 6-inch tube to make the lock area work, or else you'll be limited on locks. This door is in oil rub bronze with low E glass. And all our measurements are measured from outside dimensions. So it's 72 inches from outside to outside, and then 96 inches from the bottom of the threshold to all the way to the peak of the arch. A lot of people think they can't have a full arch when they have a square door already. Well, a framing, as you can see, the stand that we're using, you actually use a square framing that could be your header holding the structure. And all you do is fill in the center, the arch areas with plywood. That's pretty much how you achieve a full arch in a square. That's how a brand new construction gets done. That's how a remodel gets done also. On the Beverly door, we have a design on the kick plate which duplicates on the opposite side. I mean, amazing door. People love this thing. We love it. It's a cool door. We love this thing. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. All right, we're on the back end of the Beverly full arch. I'm going to show you guys how the glass operates. Untwist the knobs. Flick the glass open. That makes it easy to clean the glass. It makes it easy to clean the scroll work. Yes, you can do a screen on this also. On custom orders, you can add a screen to this. That's how the kick plate looks like on the back of the door. Super cool. If you guys have any questions, you can contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.